Hello everyone, I am Mr. Bus, your brilliant, useful and smart navigator to the world of Tata Motors. Yes, Tata Motors, India's largest bus manufacturer. With an array of vehicles for every need, including the bestseller Tata Starbus, which is manufactured at the state-of-the-art plants located in Lucknow and Dharwad. Tata Motors excel in creating manufacturing processes that are recognized as the benchmark of quality and safety at each level. And today, I am going to take you through a process which carves a niche for Tata Motors as a world-class manufacturer of buses and coaches, the process of bus bodybuilding. Tata Marcopolo Motors Limited, a joint venture where Tata Motors has combined expertise with the world's best with its technological joint venture with Marcopolo of Brazil, a leading global company in bus bodybuilding. With an expertise and know-how in processes and systems for bodybuilding and bus body design that has proven its mettle across the world. With more than 3 lakh bus bodies manufactured only in Brazil, Marcopolo is a recognized global player with its presence in 11 countries and across 23 plants worldwide. And this pioneering joint venture has facilitated a unique process that is based upon deep understanding of customer needs and the ability to translate them into customer-desired offerings through leading-edge engineering, new product introductions, and commitment to quality at each level of manufacturing. And this collaboration has resulted in shaping up the state-of-the-art bus bodybuilding facility in the Tata Motors plants located in Dharwad in Karnataka and Lucknow in Uttar Pradesh. Which is the reason why over 50,000 technologically superior world-class buses flying across Indian roads are manufactured by Tata Marcopolo Motors Limited. Well, you must be wondering, why is bus bodybuilding such an important process of manufacturing? Let me explain. A strong and genuine body is a boon to the safety and stability of the buses and coaches that are plying across different road conditions. Especially in school buses, the fully built bus offers a much higher degree of safety and security, which is a prime concern in the changing traffic conditions in cities and towns. That is why even the government and state transport units prefer company-fitted fully built buses to ensure safety for passengers across India. Even from the fleet owner's point of view, the resale value of the fully built buses are much higher, ensuring better value for money. Not only that, warranty and financing is also applicable on complete buses. At Tata Motors, these processes follow stringent quality norms that ensure safety and genuineness, which otherwise pose a big question amongst local bodybuilders. So, here's a sneak preview to the main activities of the bus bodybuilding process. Receiving chassis and preparation, structure preparation and combination, paneling, painting, trimming, and test. And now, let me explain to you each of these steps in detail. Receiving chassis and preparation. Chassis or module is the base of every bus bodybuilding process. The chassis is manufactured in the assembly units in Pune and Lucknow plants. After receiving the chassis at the bodybuilding unit, certain parts from the chassis are protected. Let us move on to the next level of bus bodybuilding, and that is structure preparation and combination. While chassis contains the main aggregates that drives the bus, the structure is the part that is visible, which is essentially used to cover the main chassis structure. The various structures that are prepared during this activity consists of front structure, side structures, floor structure, rear structure, roof structure, and roof paneling. Preparation of structures is a specialized process, unlike the one followed at local bodybuilder unit. This process involves the following steps: Pretreatment and manufacturing, combination of structures, structure drop on chassis, primer application on structure. Let me explain you the process of pretreatment. To begin with, every individual structure undergoes pretreatment, where the hot-rolled and cold-rolled steel sections that form the pipes for structure go through processes of phosphating and zinc plating. Zinc coating is done on both sides of these tubes. This increases the structure's resistance to corrosion. These pre-treated tubes are used to make individual structures: the floor structure, roof structure, and the side structures and the rear structure. These structures are manufactured and welded onto the fixtures, and the floor structure is welded onto the chassis. And this paves the way to the next level, where all the different structures except the floor structures are combined together. This combination of structure is dropped on the chassis. This process is called the structure drop on chassis. The combination of all the structures is one of the most crucial activities, as it forms the skeleton of the body of the vehicle, making it safe and durable. As the skeleton structure is prepared, it's now time to make it strong and corrosion-free. The application of primer. Here, zinc-rich epoxy primer coating is done on the structure. A polymer under pressure is injected in the hollow tubes of the structure. This polymer expands and fills up the space inside the tubes. There is no air and oxygen in the pipes, and hence there is no rusting. Now, after the skeleton, it's time to add the skin to the outer body structure. This process is called paneling. The paneling structure includes front and rear face FRP panels assembly with fixtures to ensure that the FRP does not deform. Inner paneling for steps and wheel hub using pre-painted sheet, GI sheet, AI sheet and PVC coated sheet. Outer paneling that includes stretch panel, skirt panel and window pillars. Floor fitment done with plywood either by riveting or screwing, followed by sealant application and driver door fitment. After the paneling process, now it's time to add color and luster to the vehicle, which brings us to the next phase, painting. The painting is a process that involves a series of steps. These are surface cleaning, putty application, masking and sanding. From here, the vehicle is taken inside the paint chamber, where it undergoes a series of application like surfacer application, etch primer, top coat application. The vehicle is then taken out of the paint chamber, where finally the graphics and decals are added as final touch of beauty. Wow! As the outer surface looks complete, it's time to add the final blocks and fixtures as we move on to the next level, trimming. Trimming involves varied activities, and to highlight a few important ones, it covers electrical wiring, windows fitment, fitment of passenger door and dashboard. Along with this, trimming also includes battery and engine hood fitment, front and rear windscreen fit, vinyl pasting on plywood flooring, and seats and stanchion pipe fitment. Bonding application for front and rear windshield and side glasses. Trimming is what gives the vehicle a complete makeover. But at Tata Motors, no process is complete without testing. So from here, the vehicle undergoes stringent vehicle testing activity. This includes visual inspection, shower test, and road test. While visual inspection offers a first-hand inspection of all the parts and trims of the vehicle, shower test ensures no leakage or water entry of any type into any of the enclosed volume, such as compartment for driver, crew, passengers, boot or luggage compartment, and enclosed loading compartment, and no water ingress into headlamps, fog lamps, indicator lamps, side marker lamps, etc. Road test is conducted to check the vehicle performance with respect to its electrical connection and working, bus body fitment, rattling, looseness and fouling of running parts. So this is the process of bus body building activity at Tata Marcopolo plants, a process that is instrumental in producing fully built buses that deliver on quality, reliability and profitability unlike any other. From a manufacturer with an apt understanding of Indian road conditions, manufacturing buses like no one else does. And with Mr. Bus, your brilliant, useful and smart navigator signs off until yet another enlightening insight into the world of Tata Motors. Thank you and take care.